Hello everyone. Very special good morning to all of you. And today is a very important day for that Aman Saifi, and he will come and he is very good student, and that he will come and he will talk to me in English because it's just 20 days in this class is completed. But students giving such a nice performance. You have seen in that last videos on the YouTube channel. And if you are also like it, then subscribe my channel and also share it to your friends. So today I will call and next performance is that only Aman Saifi. So Aman Saifi, please come here. Okay, everyone waiting for this moment. So first of all, how are you?
Sir, I'm fine, sir. And you?
I'm also very good, and it's your day talking to me, so that's good. And everyone waiting for a long time talking to you. So tell me that how's your study going on?
My study is going on very good.
Very good. Okay, so how many which strong subject tell me?
Biology is a strong subject.
Biology is strong
front of
subject in front of you. Okay, so tell me that what's your coaching name? Tell me first of all.
My coaching name is Laksh Spoken English.
Laksh spoken English, and which class do you read in?
I read in class 12th.
Okay, first of all, tell me where are you from?
I am from Samsirgan.
You are from Samsirgan. Do you like Samsirgan?
I like Samsirgan because this is my motherland.
Okay, very good. That's very good. Nice answer. So what's your mother name?
My mother name is Mrs. Reshma Bano.
Okay, so nice name. Okay, so tell me what does your mother do?
Actually, my father is expired. So my mother also my mother is honesty shopkeeper. My mother is ladies tailor.
Okay.
My mother is honesty shopkeeper. My mother is a housewife.
Okay, it's very good because every mother is very good for the child. He do something. See, do the level best for giving the such way nice way to the children, and it's a very good opportunity to you and something to better in life that can proud you feel your mother. That's very good. Okay, so tell me that how many friends do you have?
I have many friends, but I have two good friends.
You have two good friends.
First of all, Nitin
and
Nitin Kumar, and the second of all, Arman Khan.
Okay, Arman Khan. So tell me any good quality of Nitin.
Actually, Nitin, when I make sentence in English, where are wrong, where are right, Nitin solve it.
It's very good because it's very good idea that you are doing something correct or incorrect. First of all, don't think you are learner, so don't think that whatever you are speaking that's right or wrong. So it's time. It's time. You have just completed, I think, 20 days. I think.
Yeah, actually, I think
20 days you have completed in a spoken class, and you are giving such a nice performance. So you can do something better in your class. But first of all, don't care about what you are speaking. That's right or wrong. That's a very good idea. So tell me that which is a strong subject?
biology is a strong subject.
Your biology is a strong subject. Do you like computer?
I like computer, but sometime other.
Do you like computer? Okay, which phone do you have in this time?
I have Vivo.
Vivo. Do you like Vivo?
I like Vivo, but sometime another.
Sometime?
Either another.
Okay. Do you like bike?
I like bike.
Which bike do you like very most?
Actually, Hayabusa is like in front of me.
It's I think very costly bike. So how can you buy that bike?
I'm not getting this one. Please repeat.
Okay, I'm saying that it's a very costly bike. So how it is not possible for buying you, but something do better in my life. Then what's your goal first of all? Tell me.
Actually, my goal is private, but I want to become a best YouTuber. It's my personal choice.
YouTuber.
Yes.
For YouTuber, first of all, you have to do something and try to do things in your life. Then you can do it. Okay, very good. Okay, so tell me that do you know how to speak English?
I know how to speak English.
Okay, how do you find Pawan sir?
Pawan sir is very good teacher because Pawan sir learner manner in front of everybody.
Yeah, it is a good way, nice way to everyone. And one other also teacher is here. So how do you find Ashish sir? Tell me.
Ashish sir very good. This is my dear teacher because Ashish sir learn manner with he is very good chemistry teacher.
Chemistry teacher. And okay, do you like chemistry?
I like chemistry.
Okay, do you like biology?
I like biology very much.
Very much.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to become something you have taken, I think, like a biology. So you want to become a doctor?
I think I want to
become a doctor.
This is my goal private.
Okay, so tell me which your favorite place?
My favorite place is Mumbai city.
Mumbai city. How many times you have gone there?
I think 2 times I have go
With whom?
with my mother.
With your mother. Okay, so tell me that. Do you help your mother?
I help my mother.
Okay, so tell me that. Do you know how to cook food?
I think I know how to cook food, but sometime other.
Okay, do you like tea?
I like tea.
Okay, so tell me that which your favorite market? I think market.
The first of all, Samserian is my mother language, so I'm leaving this year.
Yes.
I'm leaving this year.
Yes, yes.
So Samserian market is like me.
Okay, so tell me that how do you find Irfan sir is not presented here in this time? So how do you find him? Tell me about
Uh, Irfan sir is very good teacher for physics area.
physics area. Physics area. Okay, do you like physics?
I like physics.
Okay, very good. So tell me that here is a lot of student. So how do you find this class?
This class is very good because Rustam sir teach anybody something
Okay.
spoken English.
Spoken. Do you like spoken class?
I like spoken class.
I think you have just completed 20 days or 18 days or 19 days. Everyone is trained to speak English, and everyone only watching these things, and they are giving such nice performance. And you have also completed your 20 days. What is the experience, and what is the you can say experience you are completing here, and do you have learned many things? So do you have confidence now time?
Actually, I feel very nervous, but I feel confidence this
Yes,
time.
yes. Don't feel nervous because in this time and everyone shy on the in front of the camera. It is not possible. It is not very easy way to in front of the camera and talk to everything. It's a very Herculean task you say that, but you can do something in better in your life. You can achieve your goal very soon, and so it's your that make a habit of coming here. Make a habit of coming here because it's nice place for doing something better. Okay, so tell me that which is your favorite game?
I favorite game cricket, but sometimes other because as I like that audience, I'm not about deeply cricket.
Do you like cricket?
I like cricket.
Okay, so tell me that. Tell me any cricketer name in Indian player.
It is just to tell you as I like that audience. I'm
Yes.
not deeply about cricket.
Okay, okay. Tell me.
Actually,
You don't know about deeply.
cricket. I'm
Okay,
not,
very good.
I
You don't know about deeply. So, do you like Shivam sir?
Yes, sir. I like very soon, sir.
I think Shivam sir is a cricketer, or I think good cricketer. I think something. Do you know about?
In front of me, Siam sir is very good cricketer.
Shivam sir is very good cricketer.
Only in front of me.
Only in front of you. Okay, so first of all, you have seen that Shivam sir are wicket keeper, or batsman, or bowler,
All rounder.
all rounder. Okay, so in this time, which phone do you have in this time? Which phone? Which mobile you have? Tell me.
I have Vivo. I have
Vivo.
mobile.
Can you tell me what's the price of Vivo? What's your mobile?
I think this mobile given me my brother.
Okay, so how many brother and sister you have?
I have three siblings. I have two brothers, one sister without me.
Okay, so which your favorite fast food?
I have favorite fast food.
My favorite fast food.
I like Maggie.
You like Maggie? Okay. So first of all, listen my words. Your life is not a Maggie. It's just preparing 5 minutes. It's you have to that smart word and hard word. Then you will succeed in your life. So very good things that is like Maggie. So okay, tell me that how do you find Lux classes?
Lux class is very must. Is very good.
Okay.
Well,
Do you try to speak English at home?
yeah, I practice.
Okay. So tell me that what time did you get up early today?
I get by my mother in 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Do you offer namaz?
I don't know for the
You don't know how for namaz?
yeah.
You don't know how to offer namaz?
Yeah, I don't know how for the namaz.
You don't know? Yeah, first.
I offer the namaz, but I'm not read this.
Okay, so very good. That's nice. So tell me that. Do you know how to play kabaddi?
I play kabaddi.
How many players in kabaddi? Can you tell me?
There are 7 players.
There are 7 players in kabaddi. Okay, so tell me that. Do you like football game?
I like football game.
How do you find Asad?
Asad is very naughty boy.
And one student is also present here to tell me that. How do you find Waqar Ahmed?
Waqar Ahmed is very clever boy.
Clever boy. Oh, very clever boy. He is also present here. And how do you find Ashish? He is joined lately class, but his performance is good. So tell me any word for the.
I think Ashish is very feel confident. So Ashish sir practice spoken English to achieve your goal.
Very good, very good. And because everyone has given me hand, so first of all, and again tell me that how far your home from this coaching? How far?
There are 200 meters.
Okay, so very good. Tell me that. Okay, so tell me that with whom you come to coaching?
I come to alone.
You come to alone. Okay, you come to coaching alone.
Alone.
Okay. Do you like cycle?
I like cycle. I have cycle.
Okay. So are you feel like going to school?
I feel like going to school.
Okay. Do you feel like play cricket?
I feel like to play cricket.
Okay. So tell me that can you speak Hindi?
Yeah, but I can speak Hindi, but not purely.
Not purely. That's good. But in this time you are speaking English. That's very good. And today, first of all, tell me, what did you take something in morning time?
No, sir, I have not.
Okay. What time did you sleep yesterday at night?
I slept last night 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock. So I think you have said that your exam is just about to come. So how many hour you practice? You are learning at home.
I study in 4 hours
You study 4 hours.
daily.
Oh, daily 4 hours. Oh, फिर I tell me that which time you study, which time, what time, and how many minutes you study for spoken.
Actually, I am come to school after.
You come to school, and how many minutes? Either 20 minutes, 15 minutes.
I practice 30 minutes.
You practice 30 minutes. That's very good. And you practice in front of Anmira,
No, sir.
and you call Nitin.
Yeah, sir.
And how many minutes you talk to each other? I think 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
I think sometime either 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. Rare condition in front of.
Okay, you call Nitin or Nitin call you?
Actually,
Nitin calls you or you call Nitin?
I am call Nitin. Sometime Nitin call me.
Okay, very good. That's very good. So Nitin calls you for talking to you. So first of all, you start to talk it, and here is also Pawan sir. So Pawan sir is also any good cricketer or batsman, and he tell me something.
I think Pawan sir is very good cricketer, good player in front of only.
Shivam sir, are you or Ashish sir? Tell me the name. You are forget the name. Okay, remember it that point. So okay, tell me that which subject, any subject Pawan sir teach you. I think you have taken biology, so Pawan sir teach you math, but it's not possible. So Pawan sir, do you teach any subject?
Pawan sir teach physics.
Physics?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I know. I don't know, but physics Pawan sir teach. Okay, very good. Do you like computer?
I like computer.
And computer class run by I think Pawan sir. You know very well or not?
Sir, very well.
Okay, very good. So tell me that how many kilometer your market from this coaching?
There are 100 meters from my home to.
Okay,
from-
how many students are there present in this class?
There are many students. And
There are
front of
many
me
students.
one,
Very
two,
good. That's
three.
right answer. Don't tell me the number. It's very good. Tell me that there are many students.
Because in front of camera. That's,
front of the camera,
I'm not.
Okay, so
let's say,
tell me that how do you find Tahir? Tahir given has such a nice performance. Tell me about Tahir.
Tahir is very nice, good spoken, good speaker.
Okay.
But Tahir practice, you achieve your good speaker.
Very good speaker. So I think giving two places to you that do you want to go to Mumbai or Lucknow? Tell me someday.
So please,
I am saying that do you like Lucknow or Mumbai?
the first of all, I priority Mumbai because I have gone Mumbai.
Oh, you have gone Mumbai. So you don't have gone to that any time that in Lucknow, I think?
Yes, sir, I like one time. Sir.
One time you have been. With whom you went there?
Uh, I think my brother with.
Your brother.
with my
Okay.
brother.
How long do you study at home? How long do you study at home? And how long, I'm telling you?
I study 3 hours,
3 hours.
4 hours.
In 3 hours, 4 hours, which subject mostly you read at home? Mostly.
Because equal subject.
Equal subject. Do you like Hindi?
I like Hindi, sir.
Okay. Do you like Hindi grammar or not?
Sometime I like Hindi grammar.
Okay. Sometime.
Sometime.
It gives good marks, I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, very good. Nice to talk you. That's tell me good performance. And you have any proverbs to share your feelings by your message to everyone here watching your video. And it is very good. Unfortunately, you talk to me very well. And your confidence is your first day. You are talking to with confident. It's a very good way. And make a habit of to coming here. Then you will give such a nice performance set again. That's very good. And you have any message to give everyone? Any? No, sir. After. Okay, very good. That's very good. And so please, big clap for the Aman Safi, please. Okay, you can go.
Thank you so much for everyone.
Okay. Thank you so much for watching this class. And also, it is very good things that Aman Safi talked with very good behavior and with good and knowledgeable person. And he talked to me very person. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this. Please also share it. Thank you.